Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Miss Zafro back with another video, and today is to get ready with me featuring Justine, who decided to FaceTime me whilst I was going to record today. It's literally like a FaceTime get ready with me with this like teal colour eyeshadow look. It's like a bluey green colour, but yeah, I really like it. It came out good, so yeah, if you're interested, stay tuned and you know what to do if you want to follow me and stay for future videos. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So yeah, I was gonna do my makeup anyway, and I was like, a shit chat, get ready with me, just calm. Well, contouring the nose.
I forgot that I had to do that before as well.
It's okay.
I am full. I remember the first time I did it, I used lip liner. Can you imagine? I looked dumb.
Georgia's is insane. I just love her so much. But I feel like she's become a bit mainstream now.
Nah, she has. That's why I stopped listening to her.
Yeah.
Because it's put me off a little. It's a bit sad, but it's calm. When she releases another album, then
Be on that wave.
okay,
It's so weird. This is the last time I'm filming in here ever.
Oh yeah, that's so true.
I know.
Fucking look at the, oh my goodness. You know that like loud voice that they always add into YouTube videos? I'm like, bitch, what the fuck? For real.
Oh my god. No, those look hella good. You look.
When I add the glasses,
oh.
my hair is out and my baby hairs are laid and I have highlight on and all of that.
I mean, you're. Oh my god, and the glasses. You're gonna have to be fending people off. You really are. Oh my god. I think he's gonna be his work cut out, honestly.
Where is the lash glue that I just bought from the hair shop? Oh, sorry. That's it. Holy goodness.
I'm just thinking I can't find the lash glue. Where's the glue?
She couldn't.
I'm really hoping my camera picks up your sound. It's gonna see so funny.
And it was free for 2 for one of those.
3 for 2. Yeah.
I can't be bothered.
Oh my god.
You know what you should do? Because I was binge watching like all the videos of this. I went to the worst reviewed makeup artist and
oh my god.
But obviously you're leaving, but that would have been jokes.
That would have been so funny.
I mean, you can still do it in London as well.
I'm pretty sure they'd have to actually just buy my shade first. I don't think they'll even have my shade correct.
They won't buy your shade.
They won't.
They will use a white people shade.
They'll literally use that. And wonder why it comes out ashy.
Yep.
My first attempt at eyeliner was so funny. It actually looked so bad. And I thought it was good. My first attempt at eyeliner was so bad. I thought it looked good. It looked terrible. I can't believe I actually went outside looking like that, but it's okay. Now I know how to do it. And now it cuts people and I have to apologise.
It does. It does.
Wait. I need to go find my eyeshadow palette now because I'm pretty sure I packed that up. Yo.
I can't believe you've not worked
for so long. I just feel like I'm not even, like, it's just part of your routine, and when it's not part of your routine, you become hella lazy, and that's literally what I've been doing. I've become so lazy and I don't like it. I don't like it, so yeah. Oh my god, Justine, oh my god, this eyeshadow, I barely even put it on, but too pigmented, look.
Oh my days, that probably suits you guys.
I'm actually so gassed. I'm so gassed.
Today was a great day to decide to want to do a full face for the first time ever. Yeah, but I didn't do eyeliner and lashes and did it.
True. There's always one that's more difficult than the other. I'm just like, why are you acting difficult for? No one told you to act difficult. You just chose to act difficult. Like, what you doing? What you doing? Oh, I know story time.
Pardon?
I know story time now. That lady at Reading Festival.
Oh no. Can you remember that? I mean, obviously it wasn't like mad long ago.
But yeah. Okay, so basically, we worked Reading Festival last year. And it was good, great experience, loved it. Apart from the rain was actually just ridiculous. But because of the rain, I got ill, so I lost my voice pretty much for like 2 days. Was it the second day that I lost my voice, maybe? Yeah, so we were working the silent disco as well. And then because we worked it on was it the last night before or the night before?
I think it was the night before.
The night before, we literally just got into the silent disco because we'd worked it, so we actually just got to go. So I had lost my sunglasses towards the end of it, and I was like, oh, I've lost my sunglasses, frustrated, but obviously I can't talk. So me trying to communicate with the staff is really difficult because I really just can't even get my words out, and it comes across as quite coarse and basically, because my voice was gone, it was shot. Am I going to do foundation? I'll do a little bit of foundation. So yeah, and then this lady came up to me and literally started being so aggressive, so rude, because she was trying to clear the path. We weren't even in the middle. There was 2 exits and we were right in like the middle, so where the barrier was, so we weren't in the way of anyone leaving. But she still came up to us while I was still trying to talk to the staff member, and started being really rude and aggressive towards me. And I was thinking, but I'm not even doing anything, like I'm just trying to see, and basically telling them if they do find my sunglasses, can you let me know, because I'm a staff, you can just like give it back to me. But this lady wasn't having it, and I was trying to talk to her, but obviously I can't really talk because my voice is gone. So Justine's trying to like talk to her, but she's not hearing it. And bear in mind, this lady's black. So you would think this is a race thing, but it's not even a race thing because she's black. So it's a colorism thing. I don't know. I really don't know. And then it got to the point where she started shoving me, and I was like, why are you shoving me for? Like, I'm not even doing anything to you. I'm not saying anything rude. I'm just trying to explain that I've lost my sunglasses, and if you do end up finding them, so be it, and then I'm on my way. Literally, this was meant to be like, what, 2 minutes, and then we're gonna go. Turned into a full-on thing, left me in tears because she was literally just being so aggressive. Literally, Justine was literally just standing there in shock because she was trying to understand where this aggression was coming from. Because even the staff was like, what are you doing? Because literally the last thing I was doing was being aggressive towards anyone. But yeah, she decides to like shove me, manhandle me, and I'm just like, can you please stop? Like, I'm actually just getting emotional now because I'm ill and you're already putting me in an even worse mood. I just want to live my life. And yeah, but she wasn't having it. So I ended up crying because the way she was handling me was very aggressive. Like, I can't even explain to you, but it was just hella aggressive. And yeah, we ended up complaining. Because I remember you asking me, do you want to complain? Because that was just really ridiculous. Yeah, so I ended up complaining to the staff. Was it like the manager or something? I don't know. Ended up complaining to him, and that lady got brought aside. I don't know what happened to her anyway, but he jotted her number down. And because I'm staff, I feel like they took it more seriously. So yeah, that's basically that. I was left in tears. My voice was actually gone at that point. Like, I was still talking, but at that point my voice was gone. It was just a croak left. It was just a croak. I was a mess, but still ended up enjoying the festival. But that was a little story time thing. You know what I hate about YouTube? Copyright. I hate copyright. Because when you want to listen to music and still talk, you cannot. And it's just so rude. Like, we're not trying to steal anyone's music. We're just trying to live our best lives. Like, that's literally it. But no, we still have copyright, and it's a pain in the behind.
I look so yellow. Where's my color? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give myself a whole 15 minutes, which is probably not gonna happen, but let's just go with that. I can't believe I'm actually doing makeup. That's insane. That's insane.
You look so pretty though. Wait, can I show them?
Thank you, my love.
Can I show them? My phone is burning.
Oh, bitch, look at you.
Wait, hold on.
Looking on fire and...
Oh my god.
Oh gosh.
Right, I
Do you want to see the state of my table? Actually, it's embarrassing.
No, my table's embarrassing.
No.
Should we do it all at the same time? Let's do it at the same
What
time.
kind of dumpty reveal are we doing, please? Look, so from one side, then look at all this trash, then look at all this trash.
I mean, look at mine. It's actually...
This actual like shit that needs to be on the table. Why do I have dirty Coca-Cola glasses and sensations and...
I mean, I had sensations the other day, but I finished it.
And everything on the same table. I don't know. But it's mad, you know, that video, that idea, I don't know who started it, the whole go to the WASH review, whatever. I don't know who started it, but it gets mad views. Like, there was this girl who did it, and she's from the UK, and she has like 7,000 subscribers, and then it was on my like recommended or whatever, and it's got bare views.
I feel like I need to do it.
I think you should. Cause like,
where should I go though? Should I go Lewisham? Should I go... I can literally go anywhere in London.
For a WASH reviewed one, but obviously try not to spend too much money because...
Yeah.
I mean, if you get views, you'll get money.
I'll get money.
I don't know how it works.
No, you have to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers.
Well, I mean, if that one video blows though,
then you get enough. Like, you should get enough.
But
that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the one video that will blow up.
That will blow for real.
I'm really sorry if my camera wasn't recording. I didn't realise it wasn't recording, so hopefully... I don't even know, because I did a story time as well, so I don't even know where it's at. But basically, set my face. This is pretty much a finished look. I just need to add my highlight, and yeah. Sorry guys, I feel like I don't even know.
I just thought if you blow dry your edges, might as well blow dry everything else, innit?
True. Yeah, I want to try that because you were saying about blow drying your edges. I will try that when I get back.
Yeah, because it means they don't have no time to color.
Yeah.
At all.
Hi guys, so I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna add my lip gloss because I forgot. I'm using the Revolution. This was my other video that I filmed, what, 2 days ago? Don't know which one's gonna be first. In the colour Exposed. Yeah, I like this one, it's pretty. Okay, so this is the finished look. Yeah, just like it's not even an everyday look, it's just an everyday look with a bold eyeshadow look. But yeah, I like it. Didn't take me long. It literally took me about 20-25 minutes to do this. It's actually not that long. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, you know what to do. I'm not gonna say it anymore. I'm not gonna say the S word. I'm just gonna say, because your girl needs to gain followers, and yeah. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Da 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 da